Hey class, I'm going to show you a few examples that come straight off of WebAssign. Your questions might be slightly different than the numbers that I'm using, but it's still the same concept. Okay, like I told you in class, we are going to multiply, and the easiest way to do this is to take both of these numbers, and instead of multiplying 49 times 7, I want you just to draw one radical and put 49 times 7 under the radical. So don't waste your time multiplying 49 times 7. The next thing I want you to do is start making a factor tree. Notice this is a cubed root. We only have 3 7s, only one survivor, so they escape, one survivor, and there is nothing left under the radical, and so 7 is your final answer. All right, take a look at this one. It's a distributive property. We're going to be multiplying here. Again, I'm going to encourage you not to multiply these larger numbers together. Let's just leave it right now as 6 times 36 and then negative 5 cubed roots of 6. The last step is now to simplify. If we make a factor tree here, all right, there's the factor tree. We have a group of 3 3s and a group of 3 2s. And so all of these come out. 2 times 3 is 6. We cannot simplify that at all, and so we'll just write it next. And this binomial is your final answer. All right, let's try that again. Distributive property, we're going to multiply. This first one, make one large radical, put 5 times 75 underneath it, plus 8 times the square root of 5. Again, do not multiply 75 times 5 because you're going to turn right back around and make another factor tree. This is your factor tree. Be careful, we are no longer working with cubed roots. This problem is asking us, this is just the square root. So there's a set of 5s. 5 times the square root of 15 plus 8 times the square root of 5. Now because these radicals are not the same, we cannot add those two numbers together. And so that's your final answer. All right, this is the last problem on this video. This is a FOIL problem. The square root of x times the square root of x is the square root of x squared. The square root of x times negative 2 is negative 2 square roots of x. 8, positive 8 times the square root of x, and 8 times negative 2. All right, that's just all the multiplying. Now let's go back and simplify. Square root of x squared is x. We can combine these together because it has the same radical. So this is plus 6 square roots of x minus 16. There's nothing we can do with the 16. And none of these have the same radical, and so that's your final answer. I hope these few examples have helped with your homework. Please reach out to me if you have any questions, and I'll talk to you soon.